Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will review hair and me regrowth treatment. Okay, hair regrowth treatment. If you are facing any issue related to hair fall like bald scalp or this kind of condition or hair thinning problems, okay, so they are providing you you can like these kind of treatments, and they are providing their treatment in the form of capsule and in the form of drops. Okay, so basically if we talk about this brand, now you are thinking like the brand product really work or not, they are legit or not. So basically the brand is approx 12 years from now, and they have good repute in this field. Okay, but if we talk about like the brand, basically there are hundreds of brand available in the market, lots of brand providing hair treatment. But I want to clear one thing, like if you have any kind of bald condition like bald scalp condition, this kind of conditions, the reason behind these kind of conditions may be genetic problem and maybe any kind of you can like issue. Okay, so if you are facing any issue this kind of problem, this kind of treatment you can like these kind of conditions are non-treatable. Okay, you can take any treatment but you are not able to treat these kind of conditions. And there are lots of examples in Hollywood, in Bollywood, and there are so many rich persons available in the world. Even they don't have, they have so much money but they are not able to grow their hairs. So there are some conditions, in some conditions the treatment is successful, but in these kind of conditions treatment are not successful. Okay, so if you have hair thinning problem like this kind of condition, like if you have the hair thinning problem and if you are facing hair loss due to any you can like medicine side effect, due to any hormonal disbalance, so these kind of treatments will work. Okay, so when you sign up their treatment, they will ask you some kind of questions, and in the end they will provide you like treatment which is suitable for you. After asking you can like approx 20 to 25 questions, they will provide you treatment. Okay, treatment and treatment cost, how much money you have to pay. Okay, so basically when you buy treatment, they will also activate subscription when you buy any treatment on their platform. Okay, so if you forget to cancel your treatment, then you have to pay lots of fees in the form of subscription also, because there are so many you can like negative reviews also available on website, and lots of customers are complaining like subscription, like they don't aware about the subscription, but they charge on their account. So you can see over here, like after 3 months, first 3 months you need to pay $14.99, and after 3 months you need to pay $34.99. Okay, so this is the also the amount, this is also mentioned on this screen. Okay, so this is the answer for your questions, and this is the information related to your questions. So now you can make a proper decision, you should buy any treatment or not. Now if you have any questions, if you have any experience about this brand, or if you have taken any treatment on this platform, you can share your thoughts, you can share your experience in our comment section. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.